Welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesdays with A&A. Today we want to talk about a common topic we have during our training sessions with customers and what they seem to find a lot of value in. What this is determining the average amount of load that your generator has on it. Now, through the features of the Deep Sea Controller, we're able to capture the total amount of load that your generator has had on it, and then we can actually take your engine hours and divide those numbers and come up with your average load that your generator is running. This is extremely important, and it helps you determine what age your generator is at, what kind of maintenance that may need to be done. How you'll find this is go to your Deep Sea Controller. We're gonna arrow to the right twice so we get to the generator page. If we go up about 3 pages, and we'll come to our generator load page. Here, we're gonna see where we have 12,008 kilowatt hours. So we're gonna go to our whiteboard and write that down. 8 kilowatt hours. Now, if we toggle back over to our engine page and go down to our engine hours, we'll see that we have 671 hours. If we divide these, we're gonna get right about 18 kW as an average load for this generator. This is a 25 kVA generator, a 20 kW output. This is fully loading our generator. This unit has been ran perfectly. Now, if we were to take those same numbers on a different Deep Sea Controller, but this was a 150 kVA generator with 120 kilowatts of output, this would be severely light loaded. So this is incredible math that your technicians can use, your salesmen can use to actually find out if your customer is using your generator properly. And what we really recommend is whenever those units come back in for service and they're doing their data logs on them, you should write down this kilowatt information. So that way you have the details from where the generator was. So that way when it goes on the next rent and it comes back, you can now subtract your new kilowatt hours from your old ones, your new engine hours from your old ones, and you can find out the exact load that last rental put on your generator and what may need to be done maintenance-wise for it. For more information, please check out our website at anacorp.com and check out our support page.